Good morning, everyone. My name is James Sumari. I'm the commercial director of Mix by YAS, Tanzania. I'm quite excited to stand in front of you. I can see quite a vibrant crowd here. And it gives me energy to share with you what Mix Tanzania is doing for Tanzanians and the economy in general. My presentation is very short. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm happy to see some familiar faces. Welcome, everyone. Yeah, so before I start, I want to assume that everyone knows what Mix is. Yeah. But for those who still don't know, Mix, which was formerly known as Tigo Pesa, is a mobile money operator, and now we call ourselves a Fintech. We rebranded 1 year ago, and today we can boast and say the rebranding exercise is going very well, and people have accepted. We have come afresh with so many things that we'll see in the presentation. So I'll start by sharing a bit, I hope you can see the slides, the story of Mix. We started 15 years ago, around 2010. That's a couple of years later, after the first entrant. We all know mobile money started in East Africa. In 2010, that's when we launched. Back then, Tigo Pesa. And it was just a simple service. Yeah. We started as a local remittance enabler. You all remember how people used to share money in the past. Yeah, they will use buses and other methods that were very physical. We came in through our peer-to-peer solutions, and we enabled people to share money with each other. Yeah, who go and work in the urban could send money back to the village through our platforms. We expanded our color or agent base to everywhere in the country, and today we have one of the largest networks of agents. And then we went into another phase of payments enabling. So apart from sending money to each other, we also, through our platform, started bringing merchants in. So people to accept payments digitally. We call that a payments enabler phase. And we are very proud we have been at the forefront of leading this. Today, you go everywhere, you see Lipa kwa Sim. And we started with creating a simple P2P solution. Then we partnered with MasterCard. We came with a MasterPass solution. And in 2018, in 2021, we launched the Lipa kwa Sim as the first in the market. Today, and everyone is following that. We were at the forefront of it. We enabled people to receive money from outside the country. We were the first player in the country to start remittances between Tanzania and Rwanda. Back then, there was Tigo Tanzania and Tigo Rwanda, and we were the first in 2014 to bring that service. But today, it's a very popular service. Wherever you are in the world, you can send money back home, yeah? And you can also send outside Tanzania to East Africa and SADC countries. And we are working to now expand that as well, so you can send across as well. That has been a very good achievement. We also spearheaded interoperability in Tanzania. In the past, you could only send within your own network, but again, in 2014, we were at the forefront of the discussions, and we introduced sending across networks. So Mix could send to other operators, and other operators could also send to Mix, as well as banks as well. All that came through hard work and the innovation that we were doing, because we are very solution-oriented and a customer-centric operator. Phase 3, as you can see there, from 2016, we ventured into a very new business, lending or financial services. Through the power of data and analytics, in 2016, in partnership with Jumo back then, we were able to launch non-secured micro-lending. Non-secured micro-lending means what? Through your phone and data or usage data of your mobile money transactions, we were able to score you and assign an amount that we could lend you without any collateral, and it's instant. That journey started in 2016. We have scaled it, and today we are boasting a very big success. Over 5 million Tanzanians have access to credit through our platform and through the power of data, machine learning, etc. We expanded into savings. Yeah, we know savings is something that is not engraved into our culture, and the reason is there are no simple ways of saving. Yeah, people for a very long time have been saving in cash, keeping money under mattresses, in piggy banks, and places where cash is at risk. But through our platform and through our product, we have been able to launch services like Kibubu, Kikoba, which are digital and enables seamless saving. A lady in the market selling grocery, a business person selling merchandise, a small business person, in the evening, if they're receiving their money on Mix through Lipa kwa Simu, they can, in the evening, just transfer any amount from as low as 1 Tanzanian shillings, transfer into another wallet, which we call a Kibubu wallet, and they earn interest, depending on how long they're keeping the money there. And it's free, totally free in terms of moving the money. So we have created that. And today we have so many people who are using these services to do their personal savings, and it's enabling them to build, livelihoods, get capital, and so on. So this is a very strong phase. Now it gives us confidence to say we can now transition from just a mobile money operator into a proper fintech, a financial technology platform. Yeah, and that's where we are today. We have one of the best super apps in Tanzania, so we are moving technologically from just a USSD into a super app, which we are transforming into a marketplace. Yeah, where we have a lot of mini apps there, and we are inviting partners to come onto our super app and showcase their services and let our customers enjoy convenience in terms of transacting. So the next phase now going forward, we want to solidify our position as a full fintech platform. Yeah, we have to expand our financial services, bring in insurance, wealth management solutions. We are also working to be known as a platform not only for consumers. We serve a lot of segments in the market, businesses and so on, but also for corporates. Through our corporate solution, through our open API solutions, developers going forward will be able to now connect to our platforms and even expand services to places we couldn't reach before. Yeah? So that's the position we want to be in. We want to become the biggest super app, not only in Tanzania, in Africa. Mix is in 5 countries in Africa, and we are looking to expand into more with one single brand of Mix. And that's our direction. We expand into diaspora as well. We know we have a lot of movement across the world. A lot of Tanzanians who are outside, they can send money back home. They can use Mix wherever they are through our super app. It's not tied to the network. You don't need a SIM card to be able to transact. You just need your super app and your credentials, and you can enjoy Mix services everywhere. You are banking in Europe, you can move money from a bank account to your Mix wallet and be able to pay your bills back home or send money to your dependents and so many other things that you want to do. That's an ecosystem we are building. Is it exciting, guys?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Yeah, so we are a proven platform, secure, very reliable, and we are set for growth and inclusion. We are licensed by the central bank to operate our platforms, issue electronic money, so we are safe there. We are also certified by GSMA This is a global organization. We meet all their standards to operate as a standard fintech in the world. We have been leading in NPS in Tanzania, Net Promoter Score. So customers, when asked if they would like our services and they recommend them, the majority of customers say yes, they're excited with our services and we offer the best experience. For 8 months in a row in Tanzania, we've been leading in NPS. That's a great achievement for us. As I said before, we are innovation champion. Our journey of 15 years, we have been bringing a lot of first to markets that have shaped the industry, and we are very proud of that, and a lot more is coming. We have also been driving financial inclusion, as you all know. Yeah, when we came in as mobile money operators those 15 years ago, financial inclusion was just about 15%. Today, over 80%. Through our network of agents across the country and our very strong platform and products that we offer, today we enable more than 23 million customers in Tanzania to access these digital services. But our company Mix is also an exciting place to work. Yeah? We've been building skills, and a lot of people recommend us as a great place to work, and we keep cherishing this as we bring in the new people from the economy into our places to build their skills so they can go and build value in the society. We have been recognized as a top employer several times already. Okay, so a bit more about what we have. This gives you a picture in terms of size. We have said we are now a full fintech. Our 23 million customers we have today, just to give you a picture of what we are doing in the economy. They transact more than 7 trillion a month. 7 trillion a month, you can imagine. I think if you are going to compare to GDP, probably 7%, I believe. Yeah, goes through our platform every month. So it's a platform that is really, really important for the economy. Through our Lipa kwa Simu, we have registered more than 500,000 merchants who are using our Lipa kwa Simu services. So we are digitizing payments. We are one player of many who are also helping the economy to transition from cash transactions to digital transactions through this network of merchants using our Lipa kwa Simu service, our network of agents, which is enabling the 23 million to be able to deposit and withdraw money, 250K of them, 250,000 across the country. Even in the rural places, we have them, and they are liquid through the networks we have built to replenish them. As I said, we are a platform for business as well. We have a corporate solution through which we have been able to connect more than 3,000 corporates and also government institutions that are able to use our corporate solution. It's a business suite that enables corporates to collect and disburse funds. We have companies that are using our solution today to pay salaries, to pay commissions, just at a click of a button. And this goes everywhere. If you have a list of workers, employees, regardless of the network or the bank they're operating, with a click of a button, you can upload a list with the amount that you want to pay them, and then immediately all of them can receive at once. That's the convenience we are bringing to corporates as well. Through that platform, they can do expense management and many other things. And it's really helping. This is not only for corporates, NGOs are using it, yeah, and etc.